Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a trial IPTV in Ministra platform. This is the link of Ministra IPTV panel I'm gonna log into. To create an MTRU link, we go into MTRU device, click on add user, then in subscription we select 2 days for a trial. It's free, no credits for 2 days, it's a free trial. After that we can select full package, or we can also select some channels like UK, Canada. It depends on our clients, but in this trial we just gonna select full package. Also in VOD, that means series and movies, we can select some of VOD or full VOD. So we create a trial with all the content in the server. After that we click on confirm. Now the trial is created. We are going to MTRU devices, manage users, and we will find the trial here. We are click here. This is the MTRU link. With that you can use our IPTV subscription, and we're gonna send it to a client and use it in the IPTV player. Also we can have extreme details from MTRU link, because all IPTV players works either with MTRU link or extreme details, or both of them. Now this is our trial that we created. It's about it's MTRU link. We're gonna have the extreme details from this trial. First, username, and this is the username. Then the password, and this is the password. And the URL. This. As you can see, we just extract the extreme detail from the MTRU link. Now I'm gonna show you how to create a custom bucket for your clients. Like for example, if you have clients from USA, Canada, let's create USA, Canada, and select only content like UK, USA, Canada. It depends on your clients. If he wants Canada and USA channels, also if you want adult channels in this server, also adults are available. Then we select English movies. See anything related to USA or Canada. Then we click save. Now we created the USA Canada bucket custom list. Let's create a trial with that bucket. Custom bucket. The one that we just created. Confirm. This is the trial that we created with the bucket. Let's check it. Click on edit. As you can see, there are only the channels that we selected in the bucket. And now I'm gonna show you if you want to renew a client that pays us when we want to extend his line. We click it here and click on renew. We select the 1 year or 6 month or 3 month subscription. Then we click on confirm. And that's it. That's all what we have on the panel. Thank you for watching.